How to fix messenger emoji problem. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to fix your messenger emojis not showing up. So if you're unable to locate or find emojis on messenger, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you could go ahead and try updating your messenger application. So go to your Play Store and on the search box type in messenger and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, press on it just like mine, and next you just have to wait patiently until the app is completely up to date, and it's going to take a while. So you just refresh your application after that and you should be able to find or locate your emojis. However, after updating as well, you're unable to find it, so then you can try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, long press on your messenger application and then go to the app info page, and while you're on this page you just have to go ahead and click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache as well as data, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If this is not working out or if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try restarting your device, as sometimes the issue might not be on the application or on the server, but the issue might be on the device. So you can refresh or restart your device and that should be able to fix it. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could go to your Play Store and then install a new keyboard, that is Gboard or the Google board, and here just press the install button, and following application has a lot of features and all that, so you could go ahead and install it and enable the Google keyboard. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So that is how you can fix messenger emoji problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.